Let me ask you something honest. You're working hard. You're not blowing money on yachts or Gucci bags. You're doing reasonably okay, and yet somehow, your bank account looks the same as it did 3 years ago. What if I told you it's not about how much you earn? That there are 7 specific habits, quiet, invisible habits, that are actively draining your wealth right now? And the worst part? Most people do all 7 of them without even realizing it. If your net worth is stuck under $50,000, or if you feel like you're running on a financial treadmill, stay right here. Because today we're breaking every single one of them down. And I'm giving you the exact fix. Welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. This channel is about building real, lasting wealth, not get-rich-quick nonsense. Now, the median American net worth sits around $192,000, but that number is wildly misleading. Strip out the top earners and the reality is far darker. Millions of people are stuck below $50,000 in net worth, many with zero in investments, and thousands of dollars in high-interest debt. The scary truth? It's rarely about income. There are people making $35,000 a year who are quietly building wealth, and people pulling in $120,000 who are flat broke. The difference comes down to habits. So let's talk about the 7 that are quietly keeping you stuck. Habit number 1, lifestyle inflation. You upgrade your life every time you get a raise. Picture this. You get a promotion. More money hits your account. And almost instantly, you move to a nicer apartment. Trade in your car. Start eating out more. Upgrade your phone. Because hey, you earned it, right? This is called lifestyle inflation. And it is the silent wealth killer. A 2025 Goldman Sachs report found that 40% of households earning $500,000 or more still felt like they were living paycheck to paycheck. $500,000 a year, and they're broke. That's lifestyle inflation in action. Every time your income goes up and your expenses go up to match it, your net worth stays exactly the same. You're on a hamster wheel running faster but going nowhere. The fix? The next time you get a raise, pretend you didn't. Keep your current lifestyle and automatically redirect that extra income towards savings or investments. Even locking away just 50% of every raise changes everything over time. Habit number 2, carrying high-interest debt like it's normal. Here's a number that should keep you up at night. U.S. credit card debt just hit a record $1.28 trillion. And according to a CNBC poll, 39% of Americans say credit card debt is their single biggest obstacle to building wealth. And honestly, they're right. When you're paying 22 to 28% interest on a credit card balance, no investment in the world can save you. The S&P 500 averages about 10% annually. Your credit card is charging you double that, backwards. The habit isn't just having credit card debt, it's normalizing it, paying the minimum every month, telling yourself you'll deal with it later, treating it like a small background noise in your finances. Meanwhile, it's a financial fire burning through your wealth. The fix? Use the avalanche method. List your debts by interest rate highest first. And attack the most expensive debt with every extra dollar while paying minimums on the rest. It's math, not motivation. Habit number 3, you don't have a budget, or you ignore the one you made. Raise your hand if you made a budget, sometime in January, looked at it twice, and never opened it again. Yeah, me too, and probably most of your friends. Here's the brutal truth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will leave on its own. Every single time. Not having a working budget isn't just a minor inconvenience. It means you have zero visibility into your own financial life. You can't plug leaks you can't see. Studies show most people underestimate their monthly spending by 20 to 30%. That could mean you're casually losing $300 to $600 every single month to subscriptions, convenience spending, and, I don't even know where it went, purchases. The fix? You don't need a spreadsheet from hell. Use a simple app like InAb, Monarch Money, or even just your banking app. Spend 10 minutes every Sunday reviewing the week. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Habit number 4, saving what's left instead of paying yourself first. Most people have a saving strategy that goes like this. Earn money, pay all the bills, buy the things, go out a few times, and then save whatever's left at the end of the month. Spoiler, there is never anything left. This is backwards. This is the single biggest reason people hit the end of the month with $40 in their savings account wondering where it all went. Wealthy people flip the script. They pay themselves first, automatically. The moment income hits their account, a set percentage goes directly into savings or investments before they can touch it. Warren Buffett said it plainly, do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. The fix? Set up an automatic transfer on payday, even if it's just $50 or $100. Move it to a separate high-yield savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Make it automatic. Make it invisible. What you can't see, you won't spend. Habit number 5, not investing or waiting until you're ready. This one physically hurts me to talk about, because the damage is invisible until it's too late. Millions of people have money sitting in a regular savings account earning 0.01% interest, while inflation eats it alive at 3 to 4% per year. You're not saving. You're slowly losing. And the people who say, "I'll start investing when I have more money," they're missing the most powerful force in personal finance: compound interest. If you invest $300 a month starting at age 25, at a 10% average annual return, you'll have over $1.90 million by age 65. Start at 35? You end up with $678,000. That's a $1.2 million difference from just 10 years of waiting. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. The fix? Open a Roth IRA or contribute to your 401k, especially if your employer matches. You don't need to be an expert. A simple index fund that tracks the S&P 500 is how most millionaires quietly build wealth. Start with $25 if that's what you have. Habit number 6. Trading only time for money with no assets working for you. There's a ceiling on your income when the only money you can make requires you to show up. If you stopped working tomorrow, completely, how long before your finances collapse? A week? A month? Under $50K net worth people almost exclusively trade time for money. There's no rental income. No dividend-paying investments. No side business generating passive cash. Every dollar earned requires their active presence. People with growing net worth own things that make money while they sleep. Stocks, real estate, a business, digital products, royalties. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have money to invest in assets. And I hear you. But this is a mindset shift first. Start small. The fix? Pick one asset class to learn about this month. It could be index funds, REITs, or even a small digital product or service. The goal isn't to replace your income overnight. It's to start building a stream, however small, that doesn't require your time. Habit number 7, having a scarcity mindset about money. This last one is the root cause of almost everything we've talked about today. Most people who are stuck financially aren't stuck because of math. They're stuck because of beliefs. Beliefs like, money is hard to come by. Rich people are just lucky. I'm just not good with money. Investing is for people with more than me. According to research from Purdue University, most of our financial habits and how we perceive money are formed by age 7 years old. And if no one ever taught you a wealthy mindset, you may have inherited a poor one completely by accident. A scarcity mindset keeps you making fear-based decisions. Not investing because it feels risky. Not asking for a raise because you feel you don't deserve it. Not learning about money because it feels overwhelming. The fix? Invest in your financial education, daily. Read one personal finance book. Listen to podcasts on wealth building. Follow people building the life you want. Reprogram your money beliefs the same way you'd go to the gym to reprogram your body. It takes time, but it changes everything. Alright, let's recap the 7 habits fast. Lifestyle inflation. Upgrading your life every time you earn more. Carrying high-interest debt like it's normal. Having no real working budget. Saving what's left instead of paying yourself first. Not investing, or waiting until you're ready. Having zero assets that work without you. Living in a scarcity mindset about money. Now here's the good news. You don't have to fix all 7 today. Pick one. Just one habit from this list and start there this week. Small, consistent shifts. That's how net worth climbs from $10,000 to $50,000. And then from $50,000 to $500,000. This video hit different? Drop a comment below. Tell me which habit you're breaking first. I read every single one. Hit that like button if you found value here. It genuinely helps this channel reach people who need it. And if you want the next step, I've linked a video right here that breaks down exactly how to start investing from zero. Watch that next. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep building. And I'll see you in the next one.